Hi guys, this is a video on a free program called SortItOut. Now yesterday on my website dunksweb.com I randomly came up with an idea for a desktop organisational tool which I called Move It Now. Little did I know within a day someone would actually make that tool. Xen042 has made it available for download and has called it SortItOut. So, SortItOut, how does it work? Now I have Windows 7, so all my shortcuts are in my taskbar, and I like to have a clean desktop, so I like to have a solid colour in the background or a nice big wallpaper with no icons. But unfortunately it ends up looking like this. It ends up being turned into a workspace, so files I use get dumped to the desktop, it ends up getting cluttered and I have to organise them. So what I normally do is have to keep opening up folders, so I'd have to keep opening up documents to put this in, pictures to put this in, and videos to put this in. It's tedious when it keeps cluttering up and you have to keep opening up those folders and dragging them in. Now if I right click and go to send to on this document, you can see I can send it to the document, but if I want to do it with a picture, if I go to send to, you can see there's no option to send it to pictures, which is ridiculous. I want to be able to send anything that has the extension of BMP, I want it all to go into pictures. Now I don't want this to be limited to the desktop either, I want to be able to do this system wide, so anywhere I go on my computer I want to be able to right click and I want it to be able to send it to the specific folder. So this is where SortItOut comes in. Now as you can see here I have a text file, I have a bitmap file and I have an AVI file. I want to put those in their relevant folders on my C drive, TXT, AVI and BMP. Let's start SortItOut. So as you know, this has been made within a day, so it's not particularly pretty, but I have been working with Xen and we've basically added some extra features in which make it a lot more functional. So SortItOut. I have a text file and I want it to go into the text file folder on the C drive. So I'm going to type in .txt and I want to browse and go to the txt file on my C drive. So every time I'm going to click add, every time I have a txt file anywhere on my system I just right click and click SortItOut. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go file, add update context menu, I'm going to right click the text file, go to send to, and you see here SortItOut is a no option here, click it. As you can see it says it's moved to c.txt successfully. Open this and you can see there is my file. Just to show you again, here is the AVI directory, the folder is empty. Now this time I don't want it to show that dialog, it's really annoying having that keep pop up every time I move something. So I'm going to untick that, I'm going to put .avi and I want to move it to CAVI, click OK, add it in. So this is the area where we want to put all our extensions and paths. You can remove it with the delete key as it says here. And so I'm going to update it again, add / update context menu. I'm going to right click this, I'm going to send to, and I'm going to go to SortItOut. Notice it just disappeared, there was no dialog saying it's been moved successfully, and over here there is my file. So it works really well. So I'm just going to say .bmp, move it to CBMP. Now I'm on Windows 7 64-bit, so it works with it. I made sure we've got support for that. If you want to remove that SortItOut context menu, just go to File and remove the context menu item, and then it will take it out for you. So I just want to update it again, because you only have to do this once, obviously, because you don't have to keep going in here and changing things unless you want to change where you want things to go. I'm going to right click this, go to send to, SortItOut, bye bye. And if I go back to my C drive, go to BMP, there is nice .bmp. So this is SortItOut. Now I want to take this a little step further. I don't want to have to keep doing it one file at a time. I want to be able to select a load of files and have them all go into the same into the specified things that I have here. So nice folder. Here I have nice2.bmp, nice2.txt and nice2.avi. I'm going to drag my mouse over all of them, right click, send to, SortItOut. They've all gone. If I go over here, nicer.bmp is here. Sorry, nicer.bmp is here. If I go into the text, there's nice2, and if I go into AVI, there's nicest2.avi. So a very useful tool if you have multiple files and you want them to go to multiple directories without having to keep dragging them around. So that is SortItOut. I came up with the idea, and big thank you to Xen042 for this, for creating this and bringing it to life with SortItOut. I have the download links, I'll provide them in the description. I'll link them to my blog if you want to see my original post. And that's about it really. So thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.